everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing some of my go-to home cleaning tips that'll leave your space looking spotless and feeling fresh. If you're ready to make cleaning a little easier and a lot more satisfying, let's jump right in. Thanks so much for watching. I hope these tips help keep your home clean, cozy and organized. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe so you never miss a cleaning tip or home care hack.